kids, so today we have these colors. So let's learn these colors all together. Let's get started. We have this color. This is black color. We have this color. Let's open it. It's yellow color. Let's put it over here. Next we have this color. Let's open it all together. Alright, so it is a red color. Let's put it over here. So kids, next we have this color. Let's open it. Alright, so it is a blue color. Let's put it over here. Next we have this color. Alright, so it is a green color. Next we have this color. Let's open it. Alright kids, so here we have orange color. Let's put it over here. Alright kids, so here we have a few colors. Here we have black color, yellow color, red color, blue color, green color, and orange color. Alright kids, so here we have a few letters from letter A to letter Z. Let's learn uppercase letters from A to Z all together. Also, we have a few numbers from number 1 to number 10. So let's learn them all together. So let's get started. Alright kids, so first of all, we'll write uppercase letter A. This is an uppercase letter A. Now, we have an uppercase letter B. Let's write an uppercase letter B like this. Good job. So kids, next we have an uppercase letter C. So let's write an uppercase letter C. Alright, so here we have an uppercase letter C. So kids, next we have uppercase letter D. Let's write an uppercase letter D all together. Like this. Good job! Next we have uppercase letter E. Let's write it all together like this. This is an uppercase letter E. So kids, can you tell me what comes after E? Good job! F comes after E, and let's write an uppercase letter F like this. Good job! Next we have an uppercase letter G. Let's write down an uppercase letter G like this. Good job! So kids, next we have an uppercase letter H, and we have to write it down all together like this. Good job! Can you tell me what comes after H? Yes, I comes after H, and here we have uppercase letter I. Next we have J. So here we have an uppercase letter J. So kids, next we have uppercase letter K. Let's write it down all together like this. Good job! So after K, we have an uppercase letter L. So let's write it down like this. Here, good job. Alright kids, so after L, we have M. So we have to write M like this. Good job. Next we have uppercase letter N. So we have to write uppercase letter M. So So kids, next we have O, an uppercase letter O. So we have to write an uppercase letter O all together like this. Good job. Next we have B. Let's write down an uppercase letter B. Good job. So kids, you know we have an uppercase letter Q. Q comes after B, so we have to write uppercase letter Q. Like this. Good job. So kids, uppercase letter R comes after Q, so we have to write R. Here we are writing an uppercase letter R. Like this. Good job. Can you tell me what comes after R? Yes, S comes after R and we are writing an uppercase letter S. Like this. Good job. Next we have D. So let's write down uppercase letter T all together. Good job. Next we have uppercase letter U. So we have to write an uppercase letter U. Like this. Good job. Next we have V. So we have to write an uppercase letter V. Like this. Next we have to write W. So here we have uppercase letter W. Then X comes after W, so we are writing an uppercase letter X. All together. Like this. Good job. Next we have uppercase letter Y. So we have to write it down all together. Here we have an uppercase letter Y. Like this. Good job. Second, we have an uppercase letter Z. That comes after Y. So here we are writing an uppercase letter Z. Like this. Good job. Alright kids, so we have written all the uppercase letters from letter A to Z. So we have a few numbers from number 1 to number 10. So we have to write it down all together. So let's get started. So first of all, we have 1. 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 3. Then we have 4. Then we have 5. We have 6. Then we have 7. We have number 8. Then we have number 9. Then we have number 10. Alright kids, so we have completed this letter learning activity. So let's revise all of them together along with their colors. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Have used two colors for the uppercase letters, that is green color and red color. Now let's revise numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we have used two colors for these numbers that are orange and blue. Alright kids, I hope you like this activity. If you like this activity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.